Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Max 1 Nike Day. Welcome to the Ave. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the orange box or the red box, whichever color you choose to call it. Nike logos all around. So what we have is the Nike Air Max 1 Nike Day. The colorway is black, white, and space purple. Now this is a grade school size. This retail for 95 bucks. But let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Nike Air Max 1 Nike Day. Now I'm gonna tell y'all straight out, man. I think this is a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Had to snatch a pair for my daughter. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man, because she wanted to do a little on for y'all, man. So let her get a little shine on, you hear me? But this shoe, man, I'm feeling it, especially with Mardi Gras rolling around, you know. Today was Mardi Gras for us, you know. I should have been put this video up, but I'm a little late. It is what it is, man. Let's look at the kicks, man. Under the bottom, you see you got this white and greenish outsole. See, you got the Nike Air, a little writing under the bottom. Here's a look from the side. Now we're gonna take it to the front. Let you see that toe box. Here's a look at the top of the toe box. See, you got your little smiley face tag on it. You see the tongue. Have a Nike Day. Here's the medial side, and here's the back. Just smiley face. You suede. Like I say, man, I think this shoe is dope, man. I'm feeling it. Let me know what y'all think, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. This is a nice shoe to me, man. Now, I'm not really into these colors, myself. But for my daughter, I think these are dope, man. Now for females, there's a closer look at this smiley face on the strings. Here's a look at the tongue, which you have a Nike Day. Dope. Nice little touch. I think it's a nice release, man. There's the medial side. And again, here's the back. There's a closer look at that smiley face, which is suede. And I think it's a well put together shoe, man. I'm feeling it. Now on the inside, they don't have any branding. Just a black insole. I can't complain about that. There's your air bubble. I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these, man. I think they hot. There's a closer look at the material. You can see the little light pattern on the leather on the front. You see your suede and your mesh. Suede running all around the shoe, all through the back. It's nice, man. I'm feeling it. You feel me? So like I say, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these joints, man. Again, there's your tag on the tongue. Have a Nike Day. Now these are from the Nike Day pack. I believe they got some other shoes that came out, but I'm not up on it. You feel me? So here's a closer look at the shoe. You know, and we're gonna lay up here and get up out of here, man. So that was my look at the Nike Air Max 1 Nike Day from the Nike Day pack. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel. Now my daughter about to lay up here and do it on foot for y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. And I'ma holler back.